Good morning, student. Today we will continue chapter 2 cube and cube root. In previous video we have seen the basic concepts about cube and cube root. In this chapter, in this video we will start exercise 2.1. Okay. Question number 1 we have given which of the following numbers are not perfect cube. Okay. परफेक्ट क्यूब प्रूव करने के लिए हम सबसे फर्स्ट जो गिवन नंबर है उसका प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करेंगे. ओके, देन 3 के सेट्स बनाएंगे. जिस नंबर का सेट नहीं होगा दैट मीन्स उसमें वो नंबर कम है, उस नंबर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन कम है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 512. ओके, सो फॉर प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन we will draw this plus sign, then 512. Okay, we will divide 512. Here 512 is a even number. Even number, that means last digit is 2. 2 is divisible by 2. That means the given number 512 is a even number. Okay, so we will divide by the first prime number. First prime number is 2. You know that prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, okay, 13. In prime factorization we divide any number only by prime numbers. First we will divide by 2 if the given number is even. Okay, if it is not divisible by 2 then we will try by 3, then 5, then 7 and so on. Okay, so the given number is a prime, so first we will give priority to 2. If I will divide by 2, here will be 2 2s are 4. ओके, 5 में से 4 गए, 1 रिमेनिंग, सो नेक्स्ट नंबर विल बिकम 11. देन 2 5s are 10. 11 में से 10 गया, 1 is remaining, so it will become 12 and 2 6s are 12. Okay, so we get 256. Similarly, last digit is 6, that means even number, so again we will divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 5 में से 4 गया, 1 remains, 16 बन गया, so 2 8s are 16. Okay, next again 8 is a even number, so it will be divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8. Again we will divide by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Again it will be divided by 2. 2 1s are 2, 3 में से 2 गया, 1 remain, so it will become 12. 2 6 are 12. Again it will be divisible by 6. 2 2 2 and okay, so we will write all the numbers here. 2 into 2. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. ओके, यहाँ तक आपको करना है. सबसे पहले प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करना है गिवन नंबर का, फिर 3 के पेयर्स बनाने हैं. ये बन गया एक 3 का पेयर, सो यहाँ से हमने एक 2 निकाल दिया. ये बन गया 3 का पेयर, यहाँ से भी 1 2 आ गया. ये भी बन गया 3 का पेयर. दैट मीन्स ये तो क्लियर हो गया है कि जो गिवन नंबर है वो क्या है, अ क्यूब नंबर है, परफेक्ट क्यूब नंबर, बिकॉज यहाँ 3 के कंप्लीट पेयर बन गए, कोई भी नंबर रिमेनिंग नहीं रहा है और ना ही कोई कम नंबर पड़ा है. ओके, तो 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. सो किसका है ये क्यूब, ये भी हमें पता चल गया है. 512 इज क्यूब ऑफ 8. ओके, यू गॉट इट. हाउ वी विल फाइंड अ क्यूब नंबर. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट नंबर हमें दिया है 243. You can see that last digit is 3. So definitely it is not divisible by 2 because it is a odd number and only even numbers are divisible by 2 prime numbers. Okay, so we can try by next prime number. What is 3? What is the divisibility rule of 3? We will add this number. 2 plus 4 plus 3. 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 3 9. Okay, if 9 is divisible by 3, then 243 is divisible by 3. Okay, it is a divisibility rule of 3. Okay, so this number is divisible by 3, so we will divide by 3. 2 is not divisible by, so we will take 24. 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s are 3. Again 3 से divisible होगा, 3 2s are 6 and 2 will be remains, 21 बन गया, 2 7 21. Okay, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. Okay, write all this given number here. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Make 3 pairs. 3 का बन गया. बट देखिए यहाँ पर 3 का पेयर नहीं बना है, दैट मीन्स 243 is here, right? Yes, you will write here yes. Yes, 512 is a perfect cube. Here you will write 243 is not a perfect cube. Okay, you got it? Now third and fourth part is for homework. Fifth part 2700. Last digit is 0. Definitely 0 is divisible by 2, so we will first divide by 2. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 7 में 6 गया, 1 remain, 2 5s are 10 and 0. Again it will be divisible by 2. 1 is not divisible by, we take 2 number. 2 6 are 12, 13 में से 12 गए, 1 remains, it becomes 15. 2 7s are 14, 15 में से 14 गया, 1 remain, it becomes 10. 2 5s are 10. Okay, so अब you can see that here 5 is an odd number, so this number is not divisible by 2. So next step is to we add this number 6 plus 7 plus 5. Okay, 6 plus 7 13 plus 5 18. Okay, so 18 is divisible by 3, so divisibility का rule applicable हो गया 3 का, that means it is divisible by 3. Okay, 3 2 are 6, 3 2 are 6, 3 5 are 15, 2 to 5, again it will be divisible by 3 का divisibility का. Now 2 is not divisible by, we take 22, 3 7 are 21 and it will become 15. So 3 5 are 15. Again it will be divisible by 3. Okay, 3 2 are 6, it become 15. 3 5 are 15, 25. Again 25 is, we know that, divisible by 5 and 1. Okay, write all these numbers factors here. 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3 and 5 into 5. Okay, हमें 3 3 के पेयर्स बनाने हैं. We can see that here 3 का पेयर है, but 2 का पेयर, 2 के 3 का सेट नहीं और 5 के 3 का सेट नहीं. That means the given number is not a perfect cube. That means 2700 is not a perfect cube. Okay. Question number first के third and fourth part is for homework. Okay, third part is 1000 and fourth part is 100. Now question number 2. Find out the smallest number multiplied by the following numbers to get the perfect cube. That means किस नंबर से हम given number को multiply करें कि वो एक perfect cube बन जाए. Okay, so for this first we have to factorize the given number. Okay, first we will factorize the given number. What we have given 1 0 and 8. Okay, it will definitely 108 is a even number, it will be divisible by 2. Okay, 2 5 are 10, 2 4 are 8, 2 से divisible है. Again it is a even number, so we get 27. Okay, then it will be divisible by 3. 3 9 are 27. Again it will be divisible by 3. Okay, write the given values here. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, make 3 3 के सेट बनाओ. ये 3 के सेट बन गया, बट 2 का सेट नहीं. दैट मीन्स यहाँ पर एक पेयर है 2 and 2 का, बट एक 2 कम है 3 के सेट में. सो 2 राइट बाय multiplying 108 by 2 we get a perfect cube. Okay, that means अगर हम 108 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? परफेक्ट क्यूब मिलेगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नाउ सेकेंड पार्ट एंड थर्ड पार्ट इज फॉर होमवर्क. we start fourth part. Okay, 10584. so why same step, first we will factorize the given number, prime factorization. Okay, last digit, unit digit is 4, that means it is a even number, so we will divide by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18 and 2 2s are 4. Okay, again last number is a even number, so definitely it will be divisible by prime number 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, sorry 2 4s are 8 and 1 will be remain, so it will become 12. 2 6 are 12. Again it will be divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Okay, you can see that unit digit is 3, so it is not divisible by 2, so we will apply the divisibility rule of 3. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, and 9 is divisible by 3, so the given number is divisible by 3. So we will divide by 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3. Again, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. Definitely it will be divisible by 3. 147. Okay, again 7 plus 4, 11 plus 1, 12. That means 12 is divisible by 3, so 147 is divisible by 3. So we will divide by 3. 3 4s are 12, 2 remains, 27 बन गया, 2 9s are 27. Again 49 is divisible by, definitely we know that 9 is the square of 7, so 7 7s are 49. So write all this given prime factors here. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 7 into 7. Okay, अब हमें 3 3 के सेट बनाने हैं. 2 का सेट बन गया, 3 का, बट यू कैन सी दैट एक 7 कम है, एक 7 कम है. दैट मीन्स for making 105 at 4 a perfect cube, we have to multiply by 7. You can make any language. Okay, by multiplying given number 10584 by 7, we get a perfect cube. Okay, thank you. I think you got it very well. Have a nice day.